Every time I see your face, my heart begins to sigh. Something about the way you smile, it makes the world feel right. When you whisper oh my name, the stars all start to gleam. Home game. Yeah. Here's the situation. I've been patient way too long. You keep changing every station, and I'm done with this song. You say you want forever, but your actions never stay. So I'm packing up my rhythm and I'm dancing my own way. No more second chances, no more run around. I've been quiet long enough, now I'm speaking out.
Barefoot on the hillside, chasing dawn's first sight. Wild daisies hum a secret only dreamers recognize. The river hums its story, soft and slow and true. I'm just a seed of sunlight growing to something new. Flower power, let it bloom in me. Color every shadow where my heart used to be. Turn the pain to petals, turn the storm a song. Flower power, I've been wild all along. Honeybees are prophets preaching love in flight. Every stem a memory, every thorn a fight. The world keeps on spinning like a violet in the breeze. I found my revolution underneath the trees. Maybe peace was never quiet, just the courage to stay. Suitcase by the doorway, sunlight on the floor. You said smile just a second, like you'd said it all before. We leaned into the moment, counted down from 3, but something in the silence wasn't looking back at me. We kept fixing the frame like that would change the truth. Standing close enough to touch, but not close